guys, I'm Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be so much special as it is all for the makeup lovers and it is about foundations. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all guys top 3 foundation under 200. So let's get started. So the first foundation, or started from the first foundation, it is the Perfect Liquid SPF 15 foundation. It is one of the best foundation that I have ever been used and it is also under 200. 200 के अंदर आपको इतना अच्छा फाउंडेशन मिलेगा. इसकी कवरेज, इसकी रेंज, इसकी मीन्स इट इज़ like I can give it a 9 out of 10. I can say this, not 10 out of 10 because of its liquidity. Means it's quite थोड़ा ज़्यादा means what we can say, it is quite means it is not like थोड़ा matte type नहीं आता, it looks थोड़ा सा liquidy, so that's I don't like. And बाकी सब 9 out of 10 and I'm rating it because it is one of the good foundation which I have ever been found under 200 rupees. That's I'm sharing with you all guys. And you can see the bottle, or I can say what, the container in which the foundation has been kept. You can see it's so beautiful. I literally loved it. And going on the next foundation, and that is Olivia stick foundation. It is foundation stick, or you can see the makeup stick because it has been written here makeup stick. I think you guys can see it. So it is the Olivia makeup stick or foundation stick, which is so much affordable and it is under 200. It cost you 150, not more than that. So it is so much good thing. And this foundation is so much easy to apply because you just have to, like, I've applied already, that's why I have to not apply again. So you just have to and just blend it with the blender or the makeup brush as you wish. And it is one of the best foundation I have ever been found, and it is of Olivia. And I want to mention one thing, that I'm not sponsored with any brand which I'm showing in this video, so don't judge me like that. Okay, so coming to the, no, wait a second, इस फाउंडेशन के बारे में और एक चीज़ बतानी है. ये फाउंडेशन आपको जरा भी स्टिकी नहीं लगेगा, चिपचिपा नहीं लगेगा. एंड इट इज़ सो मच लाइक it gives good coverage, it looks natural, and according to your skin tone it gets suit, or I can say stick to your face. like जैसे हमारी कोई कोई फाउंडेशन ऐसे ये कर जाते हैं ना, so it doesn't means it doesn't like that. It is so much good in my experience. I have been using it from how many months? I think more than 6 months. So you should definitely try this Olivia foundation stick. And coming to the last or the third foundation is the Lakme. Lakme का नाम तो हमने बहुत ही सुना है, and it is since 1 year from 1 year with me, and it's so good. Its coverage, it's like इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ना, इट इज़ सो मच सुटेबल टू योर सॉफ्ट, और आई कैन से योर ड्राई और ऑयली स्किन, मीन्स ऑल स्किन टाइप्स के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुटेबल है. सो डू लेट ट्राई दिस, लाइक इसको ट्राई करो एक बार, यू विल फील रियली सेटिस्फाइड. एंड इसकी भी रेंज आती है 200 के अंदर. मैं क्योंकि जो भी फाउंडेशन आप लोग को दिखा रही हूँ वो 200 के अंदर ही है, तो आप लोग 200 इन्वेस्ट करके एक बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन ले सकते हो, इन माई ओपिनियन. ज़्यादा बोल रही क्या? नहीं, हाँ, लिसन. देन ये इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखी है, दैट इट इज़ ऑयल फ्री, इट इज़ विद विटामिन ई, इट इज़ वाटर रेजिस्टेंट एंड शेक वेल बिफोर यूज़. ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें पता होती है. ओके, so it is perfecting liquid foundation, and it is from Lakme. You can see, दिख रहा है? Yeah, so it is so much good. So if I want to rate this makeup stick wala foundation, I will rate it 10 out of 10. But please do one thing, that select of your skin tone. like अगर आप थोड़े से फेयर हो और आपने थोड़ा डार्कर चूज़ कर लिया, देन योर मेकअप विल नॉट लुक सो मच गुड. एंड अगर आप बहुत ही मतलब लाइक आपकी स्किन थोड़ी डार्क है एंड यू आर सेलेक्टिंग द थोड़ा like fair version or virgin, sorry, fair one, then also it is not suitable. So please अपने स्किन टोन के हिसाब से इसे सिलेक्ट करना. एंड आई विल रेट इट 10/10. एंड कमिंग टू लैक्मे फाउंडेशन रेटिंग के लिए, आई विल रेट इट 10/10 absolutely. But do one thing when you are applying, please don't rub it. Like some people apply with their hands and just rub it, so it gets like thoda, so don't do that. And all this three foundations done, and this was this was today's video, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video, because क्योंकि इस फाउंडेशन के जो रेंज है उससे मैं भी सेटिस्फाइड हो जाती हूँ. लाइक 200 के अंदर आपको इतना अच्छा फाउंडेशन मिल जाता है. सो डू लेट मी नो गाइस विच वन इज़ योर फेवरेट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस थ्री. एंड इफ यू guys like this video, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. I'm Nisha, and see you in the next video. Bye.